Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clean a dirty stovetop with baking soda and a little bit of detergent. As you can see, the stovetop right here has grease and grime and things stuck onto it, but I'm going to clean it with pure baking soda. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on the stovetop. Not too much, not too little. Alright, so once you sprinkle that, and now I'm going to take a wet cloth that I have right here, and then I'm going to put a little bit of detergent, not too much, not too little, on there. And then I'm going to actually put a little bit more water on here just to get this really nice and moisturized. All right. And then I'm going to take the cloth, and then I'm just going to scrub the stove on all of the surfaces. As you can see this, all the grime is starting to come up with the baking soda. And I'm just going to keep on grinding it in, just like that. All right. And then once I've grinded out all of the crud and grease like this, look at it. It's just coming out with the baking soda. I'm going to rinse my cloth really quick. All right. Just rinse my cloth really quick. All right. And squeeze all the water out of the cloth. And then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to take the cloth and just try to get up all as much as I can. I might have to do this twice to get it all up, but as sure as daylight, it is coming up just like that with the baking soda and the touch of detergent. All right, just like that. Look at it, nice and clean. All right, I may have to come over across it again. Let me actually take a paper towel to actually dry this up now. Got a paper towel so you can see the shine of the cleanation. All right, just gonna get all that. Now look at that, and that's how you clean a stove with baking soda. Let me know if you have any questions.